How you going, guys? A lovely Sunday afternoon. Sun's out, beautiful. Time to get some cleaning done. Some fruit and veg and seed. And we'll see what everyone's been up to. This girl in here's been spending a bit of time in a box. She had an egg in there the other day and I might have harassed her a little bit too much. And she decided to chew the egg up and destroy it, so we'll see what happens. We might open the box, we might not. But this girl up in here, she started doing the same. Started spending a bit of time in her box a little bit. A bit more defensive. Territorial, something like that. Yeah. We'll get into the raking first. We'll tidy up all underneath. Then we'll wash all the trays. And then start feeding everyone again and having a look around. Get into it. That's all the raking done. Just took the trays up there and gave them a quick spray with the hose to let them soften up quickly. We've taken all the seed trays out. Now we're going to do a little bit of hosing and wash everything down a little bit. Get them nice and clean. Just give everything a hose first, sort of soften it up. Same as these guys over here, I just give them a quick spray. Let the water soak in for a minute. Turn the camera off for a minute while I stick my hands in there. Alright, so we just gave these guys a nice big wash and a hose. Fresh water. I've put this little door on here, so I can't help myself. I need to know what's going on. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to slide this out, but I'm not going to open it yet. I'm going to just slide it out. And I'll let her stay in there. I won't open anything up. I'll leave her in. I'll leave her in there for now. I'll just leave it like that. And then when I come out and put some food and stuff like that in here, vegetables and whatever, hopefully she'll come out for 2 seconds. And then I'll quickly run over here and flick that lid and we can both have a look what's going on, and then I'll slide it back in and hopefully she doesn't get upset. But yeah, we'll move on to the next guy. This guy over here is cranky. He's been harassing me the last couple of days too. Yeah. You want a bite? We'll get into it. We'll start cleaning these guys up too. Just giving these guys a quick wash down. If you've been watching my videos, you see I've been changing their diet a little bit. I've gone to some macaw and South American type style pellets. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm out here every second day changing the water. You can see some of the pellets in there. So they're obviously eating them. Whether they like them or not might be a different story. But supposedly it's better for them than whatever else. So try and give them some of the good stuff. As you can see, the yellow bloke over in the background still. Still up here hiding. Bloke in the background gone crazy. His little girlfriend's out now. This might be our opportunity. Let's see. Hello, little lady. What are you doing? What are you doing? No eggs. So you can see there's a little bit of shell left from the last one. That's alright. That's alright. I'll shut the lid now before she knows I've been in there. I'll go back to washing and tidying everybody up. It's alright. I don't want to harass them too much. I'm going to have to end up doing the same with these guys here. Putting a little false door in somewhere for them so that I can get in and out without having to open and everything up. Getting my hands chewed off. It's alright. We'll fill their water up and we'll keep going. And we've got these guys here. Give them a quick clean out as well. Scarlet and Clyde. We've been kicking all of the nest material out again. Alright. What are you doing, Clyde? Hello. 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 Hello.
Who is it?
Clyde.
Huh?
Clyde. Talking to me.
Huh?
He's talking.
I say hi.
Maybe he's happy.
Huh?
He might be happy.
Is it the one say hi?
No, she's hiding.
Huh?
She's hiding.
No, it's out there. It's the boy one or the one say hi?
That's the boy one.
Boy one? Out.
We'll finish getting these guys cleaned up. So, water and powder done for these guys. We've just unclipped the box. I'm gonna wait for her to sneak away for a minute. We might see what's in this box. Oh, wait a minute. I'll wait till she comes down the other end, and then we'll pop the lid and see what we can see. I think I've still got like another week and a half. Got a week, I think, before these guys are due to hatch anyway, so I'll just quickly finish washing this out, and then we'll see if we can have a quick look. She's not letting me in, but we'll see if we can sneak in anyways. I'll try and slip my phone in. Same spot as the other day. That's alright. Can't hear any babies, can't see any babies, so I know they're not in there yet, but we'll come back in a minute. I'll put another apple, something else in there, and see if we can distract her. That's all the trays and everybody's bowls and seed bowls and fruit trays and everything washed out for now, so we'll let them dry out for a sec. I'll put some seed around for everybody, and then I'll go and get the vegetables and that out. I might slip this box back in actually. We don't need to go back in there now, so I'll close that before I forget. Is everybody's seed done? Amazons, Alex's, Eckies. So we'll go and get them all into everybody's cages and then we'll start on the veggies. That's everybody's trays done for today. So they've got some papaya, broccoli, spinach, bok choy, mango, capsicum, corn, pear, carrot, eggplant. I think that's it. But yeah, we'll go and get it out and see how everybody goes. The apple and the pear for the rainbows down the bottom, I'll stick them in a minute. But yeah, that's everybody's trays for today. Nice and healthy, not too much fruit, majority veg. Go and get it out. While this girl's busy, I might sneak up and have a quick look in her box. I doubt there would be anything up there, it's only been a week, but she doesn't like me, so let's be quick. Yeah, nothing. Just turning it up. It's alright. This guy into his papaya already. It's the blue guys. Just put his one in and he's getting into the corn. Blue guys have got their one, yellows have got theirs in, but he's not touching anything yet. He's more interested in his girlfriend and what she's getting up to. So we'll leave them for a minute and we'll go and get some food up into these guys up the top here. It's Dottie and her boyfriend with their ones done. Being weirdos like usual. We'll see what Scarlett and Clyde are up to. He's having something to eat. We might flick this lid. See if we can see anything in here. Nah, it's alright. She's alright. Let him get something to eat. And fill up that water bowl now that the door's closed. We'll go down and put some apples and pears down for the rainbows. Just stuck an apple and pear in for these guys. The girl's just here, so I'm going to be pretty quick and I'm going to sneak over and have a quick look. Ah! We've only got one egg left. Yeah, got naughty. So maybe one was no good. That's alright. About a week and a half-ish anyway, so we'll keep checking on these guys. These ones are due to go next. So, yeah. But that's it for another week. You can see the kids have made a mess of the yard. So you know what I'm up to getting this afternoon. Thanks for watching. If you got this far, like and subscribe. Any questions, any suggestions, any tips, let me know. Have a good week, guys. I'll go and get back into the rest of my cleaning. Thank you.